Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you a very delicious barbecue sauce made at home from scratch. You could use it in chicken, in meats. You decide. This is a very delicious and traditional here in my home, a barbecue sauce made at home with a lot of love. Summer's here and it's time for barbecuing, and why not offer you what I have here at home, what I make from scratch, my barbecue sauce. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are all my ingredients. I have them all right here. I have the brown sugar. I have the white pepper, the turmeric, the chili powder, the paprika, the garlic powder, honey, water, ketchup, onion powder, black pepper, molasses, Worcestershire sauce, vinegar. This is everything we need to prepare that delicious barbecue sauce. It's summer and we want to do our barbecuing outside. We want to cover our chicken, the whole chicken in barbecue, the chicken legs, the pork ribs. We want to really cook this very traditional foods that we do outside in our barbecue. Why not make our own barbecue at home when you know exactly what you are adding to your barbecue sauce? It's summer. Let's get ready. Let's prepare this barbecue sauce at home from scratch. So let's get ready and let's start making this delicious barbecue sauce. Okay, I have my saucepan here. I'm gonna start by adding my water, and I'm adding just 1 cup of distilled water. This barbecue sauce really comes out really delicious. Now I am going to continue by adding my vinegar, clear white vinegar, and I'm just adding 1/2 cup of the vinegar. Of course, you could add apple vinegar if that's what you have at home. And here I'm going to add ketchup. I'm going to add 2 cups of ketchup. The ketchup will give it such a delicious flavor and texture. So I'm adding the first one now, and now I'm going to start adding the second one. We want to make sure that the ketchup we added, because this is a very important ingredient. So here I'm done with the ketchup, and I'm going to continue with the molasses. The molasses will give it a smoky flavor and will give it a dark color, and I'm only using 1/2 cup. I'm going to go ahead and just bring it out just like this. Believe me, if you get all these ingredients, most of them we already have them at home. I'm going to add at this moment the honey. It's going to be about 4 tablespoons. All the ingredients, you would find them in the description box. The honey, it doesn't matter what brand you have at home as long as it is honey. So here I'm adding this. Now I am ready to start by adding the Worcestershire sauce. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. This is going to be just enough because the amount that we are making of the barbecue sauce is going to be 4 cups. And here I'm adding all my spices, including my brown sugar. We want to go ahead and add everything in here, and we're going to be whisking it until everything is nice and incorporated. When you cannot see any powder, any garlic, as long as everything is really nice incorporated. Right now this is nice and incorporated. There's still a little pieces of the of spices, but yet we're gonna continue mixing it until it's very smooth. And as you could tell, it's nice and smooth, and at the same time it's nice and thick. I'm using a white spoon so you could see the texture. We still need to go take it to the stove, and warm it up. Cook it for at least 30 minutes. Well, this is now done, and now I am ready to go take it to the stove. You want to go ahead, turn your stove on to medium heat, and you're going to be whisking it and mixing it for 30 minutes. You're going to taste it at this moment and see if it needs a little bit of salt. To my tasting, this is a perfect combination of ingredients. It started boiling already right on the edges. After 2-3 minutes, we're just going to continue mixing it. And look, it's been cooking now for about 5 minutes, and it's cooking all over. You could even see all those little bubbles everywhere. Here it's been cooking now for about 25 minutes, and this is how we want it to be cooking: slowly and medium low heat. And when the color really changes, that means it's time. This is completely done. It's been cooking for about 32 minutes in total. But look at the texture, look at the color. It just looks very dark, and the flavor is more intense. Well, this is completely done, and now I'm ready for the presentation. With this barbecue sauce made at home. I hope, my friends, you could make it at home instead of going and buying that barbecue sauce bottle. Make it at home. It's very easy. It takes about 30 minutes to make it, but you know something? You know what you are offering your family. It's summer. We're barbecuing outside. We're expecting family on the weekends. We want to, you know something? Treat our family with something delicious. Why not some barbecue ribs with a lot of barbecue on the top, chicken covered in barbecue. My mouth is already watering just thinking of so many delicious dishes we could make with this barbecue sauce. And it's summer. Let's enjoy the outside. Let's start working on our barbecue and start making all the delicious and delicious and flavors that we already like. Why not make this barbecue sauce at home and enjoy it with your family like I enjoyed here with my family? I want to say thank you so much for playing my video. Please don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did already, leave it activated. So every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And I'm going to stay thinking, what am I going to cook with this delicious barbecue sauce made at home? See you. Bye-bye.